In this Chicago servers tutorial, we'll be covering how to update your Rust server following a game update launched by Facepunch. First, log into the control panel located at cp.chicagoservers.co. Once there, pull up your Rust server if it doesn't automatically pull up. Click Steam Update on the left menu and then click OK to launch the Steam Updater. This will download the latest update from the Steam servers to your Rust server. There's no specific time that this update becomes available following the update pushed out by Facepunch. Typically, looking at your Steam game is a good indicator as to whether or not the update has been pushed out yet. Once the update is downloaded, you'll see several lines saying downloading and then fully updated or fully installed at the bottom. This means your Rust server has now downloaded the latest patch. Updates for Rust are released on the first Thursday of each month and may or may not be released around the same time. It all depends. The changelog is available at rust.facepunch.com/changes. This explains all the recent changes in the most recent update. Secondly, if you like to run Oxide on your server, that will need to be updated next. Click Updates on the left menu within the control panel. Click Install next to uMod. This will download the latest version of uMod or Oxide to your server. This must be done after every Steam update, otherwise Oxide will not be active on the server. This is because the Steam update overwrites executable files that Oxide needs to use to launch. After each update, your plugin data and configuration files will remain the same, you just need to install the latest version of Oxide. Once it's done, it will say that the update was installed successfully. You can then return to your server's homepage, click Start, and you're good to go. It's worth noting that sometimes uMod updates are delayed, meaning that after the Rust update is installed onto your server, uMod is not immediately accessible. Typically, the developers of uMod are very timely with releasing updates, but this is not always the case. To check and see if the update has been pushed out for the most recent version of Rust, go to umod.org and click Games on the top menu. This video was not actually filmed following an update on Rust, and we're due to have one tomorrow. However, you can see that the last update for Rust was pushed 25 days ago. If the update was actually pushed today, you could expect this to say 3 hours, 2 hours, or some very recent time frame. If it says something like 25 days ago, but we know the update was already pushed out, chances are uMod has not yet been patched and it may not be working. If that's the case and you just installed it on the server and the server is not loading, booting, or otherwise not operating correctly, run another Steam update and it will overwrite the files and it will be a vanilla Rust server for the time being. Once the update from uMod has been pushed out, go back to Updates, install the update again, and it will pull the latest version from here. The Chicago server's infrastructure is Linux-based, so we pull the developmental branch for uMod. Whenever you install this, it pulls the files directly from their website, so you're getting them directly from them, and they're fresh. All the control panel does is download the archive folder and extract it onto your server. If you have any questions during the update process, feel free to contact our team via support ticket or live chat using the blue icon in the lower right-hand corner. Thanks for choosing Chicago Servers.